So today we're behind the scenes at LinkedIn Learning. It's pretty exciting. And what are we going to learn about today? Well, we are going to learn about hashtags. So hashtags are a wonderful way to categorize your videos on LinkedIn. So as an example, we're gonna pop into this green room over here. So over here, this is Quentin, and he is also known as Q, and his hashtag is just Q, and that's the name of his show. In fact, I think he's editing a video right now, so we'll get out of his hair. Now, hashtags can be used for both personal profiles and corporate brands, so let's take you through a few of them. So hashtags are great on LinkedIn because, once again, they help you categorize your content. They help make your content searchable. So I have my hashtag right here. It is #DailyGoldie because I make daily videos on LinkedIn. Woo! And I have the longest running daily channel. So whenever you search for #DailyGoldie, you'll find all of my videos in one place. So as you can see right here on the screen, #DailyGoldie is actually a hyperlink. So if I click on it, you'll see all of my daily videos. Now, this is true of any hashtagged word. So if you're, say, a corporate brand, you can use a hashtag like #B2B sales. And whenever anyone clicks on #B2B sales or searches for #B2B sales, your videos, your content will show up. You can also use fun and informal hashtags that show more of your personality or your brand's personality. For example, #chill and #breakroom. So my exercise for you today is to try to come up with 2 or 3 great hashtags that work for your brand. So either describing the personality behind your brand or actually describing what kind of categories your brand falls under. For example, #warm and #B2B sales.